Hello everyone, I'm Esther Kovacs, co-founder and CEO of DroneTalks. So if you don't know DroneTalks, just in a nutshell, it is an educational platform where we interview C-level executives from the drone AAM industries. We understand their views, their strategic decisions, and the future steps they plan to take regarding business and their companies. We also interview regulators and ENSPs to understand and learn from them how they develop the regulations, standards, and their programs for and with the company to enable drone AAM services. We also talk with investors who want and already invested in drones and AAM companies to understand their view and decisions and the whys. We talk a lot about standards, and we also talk a lot about social acceptance and sustainability. We do believe without social acceptance there is no tomorrow. People will not use the services the industry want to offer. And regarding sustainability, we do believe without having a clear mind and develop products which are sustainable and contribute to the CO emission, this industry will not succeed. So these are the hot topics here at DroneTalks. Sign up to our newsletter, follow us on social media, be a part of the community and learn and engage from and with us.